Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the data center bridging feature within your Windows 10 or Windows 11. And that's pretty easy, right? So how do you go about doing that? Click the Windows key on your keyboard and you simply want to type in Windows and you will start to see those settings showing up that says turn Windows feature on or off. You want to click on that. Now here in the list, you will see data center bridging. So if you want to enable it, click this checkbox here, then click on OK. And if you don't want it, you can just simply uncheck it if it's enabled already, and then click OK. So in my case, I want to enable that. So I'm going to simply click on OK, and it will search for the required files, and then it will go ahead and apply those changes. And from here, you want to go ahead and restart your computer. Likewise, if you want to disable it, you will basically go there and uncheck it, then click on OK, and it's going to search for the files again, apply it, and then you want to do the restart of your PC. But that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.